Lisa with WTI, and today I'm super excited to share with you my cutting boards. I've been truly loving these index plastic cutting boards for many reasons. I love the fact that there's 3 of them, which make it super ideal for me because I don't like my flavors mixing. I don't like my oranges tasting like onion or garlic. You hang them so they make it very hygienic, and you're gonna see that they have a double emboss, which prevents your counters from scratching or maybe food from sliding down. Right here I'm fascinated because I'm cutting my fruits to make a little juice, but then when I was cooking I had to cut some bell peppers, which I used a different cutting board. Now I was gonna cut some chicken as well, and the fact that I can prevent the cross-contamination really makes me feel at ease. I've been loving it. They're so easy to wash, and the fact that you can hang them also makes it look very organized. I truly love them, and I highly recommend these cutting boards. These cutting boards save space, they don't mix my flavors, and they make my kitchen look so put together and tidy. And that is my point of view.